So I want to basically interview some successful people and basically want to get to know the grit and determination it took for you to reach that success.
First thing is, what is the definition of the success, you tell me?
Somebody who has made impact in the community, somebody who people look up to.
Have you seen the 3 Idiots?
Yes.
What's the machine definition is according to Rancho and according to Chatur?
Yeah, so Ranju I think said that it is a machine that works, and then Chatur said it is an object that does. He gave a very textbook definition. I don't
Correct.
remember exactly, but
The Rancho gives a machine
yeah.
which make easy the human efforts. So here the same thing is the success. Once you do the beyond the traditional way of your work, that's the beginning of your success.
So, what is one thing about business that only successful people know, and it takes a lot of time to accumulate that?
Business is basically logical activities in a human arena aim to create an assets, or you can say aim to earn an assets.
So, what is one thing about business that is not very generalized and it takes a lot of determination to get to know it?
There are the basic 2 key elements. Number
Passion.
1 is passion.
And faith.
Number 2 is a creativity. And rest of this you can borrow. Technology, you can borrow it. Funds, means finance, you can definitely borrow it. Everything is can. Even the skills, expertise, you can hire.
Any core principles that you have constantly lived by to get to where you are now?
I always believe that think creative for a better tomorrow. Because if you are not creative, you have to follow the traditional way. And traditional way generally cannot give you the satisfactions, new events, even the success. So then creativity is the most important elements in case of any business, any entrepreneurship, any startup, or even thinking something new.
What is that one secret to your success?
Nothing is secret. Only secret is be honest, creative, and of course, hard work.
What is the best business advice you have ever received or you have given to anyone?
Every business in this world is the best business. If your thought process, your business design is in the right way, every business should have a clear motto to contribute to the society. That's why it's called always the corporate social responsibility. So that's why every business, even you think in future, you must think about the social, impact of that business. Business is always not for you. It's not only a self-centric. It is a social believing business.
So obviously from the generation you grew up with to the generation we have now, obviously before there were jobs which were everyone thought was secure, like computer science, but now with AI everything is changing. So what would be your advice to people to have to build wealth in today's generation?
So job in our age and the job in your age or the today's age is completely different. Nothing is secure in this world. Everything is in a temporary manner. I always suggest to my old successors, you have to earn a multidisciplinary skills. Number 1. Number 2, you have to, earn a capability to risk taking. The gain is not a factor. Factor is a risk. If you are able to take the challenges, everything will be very easy in your life. Gain is always with you. But if you are able to take the challenges, then you can do a lot in your things. Especially after COVID. We learn from a big lesson from the COVID. We learned from COVID that nothing is permanent in this world. So we have to take a multidisciplinary skills.
Nowadays, many people are of that opinion that school doesn't teach you what you need to know to build, to become successful, or to become, or to make money. So, do you think that's true, or do you think school provides us with the necessary skills to grow up in this world?
This is a very interesting question. See, we all are, especially you, in a larger school. What is the meaning of school?
Place where people, a place where there's a fixed schedule, where people, where
Not fix it. It's very simple. The place where you learn. Correct? You learn something. Maybe in the morning you're going to school, but the rest of the time, within the 24 hours, where you are?
at home.
Home. Your home is your best school. Because you are really learning the things from your mom, your dad, your grandpa. You're learning. So don't make your school is a very limited, small places. The entire atmosphere is your school. You're learning from there. You're learning the skills from your mom. You're learning from the things from your grandpa. You're learning from your, this is the seniors. So this is our school also.
So now we're wrapping up. So I wanted to ask you the most important question. Do you think becoming a successful person has its share of struggle? So staying up late of the night, being constantly worried. So do you think to make it you will have to endure years, months, weeks of struggle?
First thing is that I am not a successful person. Okay. Second thing is that it depends. Yes, I did a lot of work beginning of my career. I did a lot of struggle, and I learned a lot from my journey. And I believe every student need to learn it, need to do that kind of effort in their life. You have to know from the grassroots that is your actual education and the learning. Learn from the basics. Okay. So I believe in everybody's life there is a time when they need to do a lots of hard worker and many things. When in your life you can face this kind of struggle.
I think that should be the end of this interview. But thank you so much. You really provided me with so much knowledge. Like whenever I watch on YouTube, I always see people saying that school is not useful. But you've given me a really new angle to look at it now. Thank you so much.